Today I'm going to show you how to update DaVinci Resolve on macOS. Hello, my name is Trevor. This is Nerd Learn. What you got to do is launch DaVinci Resolve. So in my case, I started it. I actually am on version 16. And as soon as the software popped up, it checked for update. And it realized I was pretty far out of date. So we're going to fix that. So I'm going to hit download because I actually want the update. So it's automatically downloading. We can see this in the lower left, and it is 2.4 gig. So we're going to wait a while. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to DaVinci Resolve, and I'm actually going to close it, because then that way, when we go to install it, it's not running. Okay, the file is downloaded, and we are going to launch it right here. DaVinci Resolve 17.2.2 mac.zip. So we're going to pop that open. And it's going to export everything, and it has a disk image, DMG. So we double click on that. We're just going to minimize that, get it out of our way. We can see the drive is mounted. That's how that works. So we want to install. Now, sometimes there will be an apps folder. In this case, it's not there. And I guess we just double click on this. Yep, here we are. Continue. Continue and continue. Agree to the license. It's going to take 4 gig of space. That's no big deal. That is my hard drive. Punch in my password. Installation is complete. Hit close. I don't need the installer, so I'm actually going to move it to trash. Close that. I'm actually going to eject that by dragging it on top of the trash can. All right, let's launch DaVinci. So I would recommend checking out the new stuff. I'm going to choose continue, but you can click on learn more. I don't actually happen to have a whole lot of content on this particular system, so I'm actually going to choose upgrade. We're going to wing it. And there we are. So it looks like version 17. And that is how you upgrade DaVinci Resolve on macOS. Hope that helped. Take care.